Hi, boys and girls. It's me, Mrs. Barnes. I'm here with my collection. Mrs. Alexis read a book called Sorting, and on each page was a group of things that were similar. All the red things were together. All the things that got wet were together. All the things that were alive were together. So we're going to take our collections and we're going to learn how to sort. Some of you might know how to do it. Some of you might not yet. So let's see and try it and see how things go. So when you learn how to sort, you want to notice things. So I'm looking at my cars and I notice they all have eyes. So I can sort them together into one pile because they all have eyes. I can do them by color, just like the red page. These two are red, so I'm going to put them together. These two are blue. I'm going to put them together. This one is moving by itself. That's his own pile. He's green. He can be over there. What would you do? Or how can you sort your collection? By color? By what it feels like? Is it soft? Is it hard? Does it smell? I wonder what you brought to your collections. You may have all your favorite things in one pile. Let's see. These two cars or trucks, they're tow trucks. Both tow trucks pull things. So those can go together. This pulls something. This truck pulls other cars. So this pulls, this pulls, this pulls. Let's look at these two things, these two vehicles. This vehicle is a garbage truck and something goes inside of it. This is a dump truck. Something goes inside of that. That's an idea. But, you could do by wheels. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these all have 4 wheels. They can go in a pile. And this one has, does this go together? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 2 more. 5, 6. 1, 2, 6. 6 wheels. That's not the same as 4 wheels. It's different. It's 2 more. So he can have his own pile. So this sorting pile has 4. This sorting pile has 1. Sorting can be fun. There's no wrong way to do it when you make up your own way. So look at your collections and see what you notice that is the same about them. And have fun.